Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So today's video I'm excited. I'm actually really excited for because I've heard so many good things about this brand, and I know that this brand is like known for being like super full, like flawless coverage. So I'm really excited to be testing out this product. This is from Dermablend. This is the new CC Cream Continuous Correction Full Coverage CC Cream and Sunscreen. It has SPF 50 in it, which is awesome. So I went to Ulta yesterday and I picked mine up. Got mine in the shade 37N, and I'm really excited to test this out because I'm going to be tanning today. So this is going to be like the ultimate test, like can it last through like tanning, sweating, all that good stuff. So I will probably do somewhat of like a wear test in this video. I haven't fully decided yet, but yeah, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. So I got mine in the shade 37N in medium 1. They were pretty much sold out of most of the light shades, so I know for a fact this is going to be like way too dark, but you know, we will make it work. This is the color that I picked up. This is what it looks like. I mean, yeah, it's probably gonna be different, but you know what, it's going to be okay. It pretty much just says up to a 24-hour color wear, so I'm assuming that means that it'll last like in the sun and tanning. That's pretty much what it like explains. So I'm really excited to test it out. So this is the packaging. Let me show you quick. I think the packaging is super cute. I really love like little squeezy tubes like this. I think they're awesome. So I'm just gonna take this and put it on my hand. I'm gonna do like that much. All right, so the color is off, but I mean it's pretty off, but it's going to be okay. That's real dark, but you know, we will make it work. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go in with a brush and just push it in. I don't have any primer on, but I do have like my morning skincare. I have my serums and I have like a moisturizer on. So, oh yeah, this is like, wow, this is real dark. You guys see that? Wow, okay, so I'm just gonna keep pushing this in. I feel like a little does go a really long way. Like pretty much almost all of my face is like done. Dragging it down my neck so that it like kind of blends a little bit. I always do my initial application with a brush, and I'm just going to pick up whatever is left over on my hand and go over the rest of my face with a sponge. So this is how it looks, you guys, and I think it looks so nice. I mean, it's definitely full coverage, but it doesn't look like heavy on your skin. Like, it's not emphasizing any of my pores or anything like that. So I'm thinking this might be really good. I'm so into CC creams this summer and like skin tints and that type of stuff, so this got me really, really excited. But yeah, aside from the color being off, and you can't really even tell once it's fully blended, I think this looks really, I don't know, I think it looks really, really good. What do you guys think? It covered really nicely. It doesn't look cakey. Wow, I'm super into it. All right, so now I'm going to go in with concealer, and I'm going to use my Wet n Wild. These are just like my go-tos. I'm just going to not use too much of a light shade because obviously we don't want it to be too much lighter. And then I'm going to go in with a darker shade. A little dab of this Jouer concealer. Not a lot, but just a little. And then put some on the front of my nose. That concealer blended really nicely, like over top. Wow, I'm really into that. Okay. So this is the concealer and the foundation, or the CC cream, blended out. And I'm looking at my skin and I'm thinking, like, it looks flawless. Like, my skin still looks like my skin. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing, my nose is so itchy, sorry. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing like anything over it. It just looks so, oh my god, I am so into how my skin looks. Like, this is wild. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to go crazy with it, but I am just going to go ahead and use my Chanel bronzer and just kind of like warm up the face just a bit. But nothing too crazy, just because we already look a little tan. I just want to add some dimension because I kind of hate like a flat base like this. So just doing this just to give a little bit of warmth and some dimension. I'm just gonna buff out underneath my eyes again just to get rid of any creasing that may have happened. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set, and I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting powder. That has just become like one of my go-to powders. Sad because I don't know if Kylie Cosmetics is like rebranding, or I saw on TikTok that she's like getting sued apparently for something. I don't know how true that is, but her website has nothing on it, and everything at Ulta is like on sale, and they don't have any of like her powders or anything. And her powders are my favorite. Like I don't use any other like setting powders for like when I'm getting super glam, unless it's like my Kylie one. And I really hope that she's not like completely getting rid of everything, because I will be devastated. Now I'll have to go and look for a new setting powder, which I really don't want to do, but that would really break my heart because I love her setting powder. Alright, so I'm just baking, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my eyelids with this too. While that's baking, I'm quickly just going to comb through my brows to get out any of the foundation, and then not going to do too much to my brows, but I'm going to go in with my NYX brow. What is this called? Oh, this is not even it. I have to go get it. Come on. With the NYX Lift and Tint for my brows. I have been loving this lately. It's just super easy, and it makes your brows look full without making them look like too drawn, and I love that look. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe away the bake. I'm really interested to see, because I didn't set my whole face, I'm not going to, but like this area right here, I'm really interested to see how the powder, the foundation, and the CC cream like blended together. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just finish up the rest of my face. I'm gonna put mascara on and that type of stuff, and then I'll be back, and then we will discuss how this is looking. So hang tight, guys. So I just finished up my makeup, and I am loving how this CC cream looks. I think it looks, I don't know, it just looks like my skin, and it just looks so just like perfect. Like you wouldn't even think it's a CC cream. You would think this is like a really expensive like foundation. Like that's how good it is in my opinion. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get ready to go and tan, and I will do check-ins at the pool and show you guys how it's looking and how it's wearing. Like it's not that hot out, but it's like 75-ish. And I'm going to be like directly in the sun, so I'm sure it's going to like put this to the test. And then when I come home, I will do my final check-in with you guys. And yeah, so it's currently 10:43 a.m. So I'm going to go and get ready and go to the pool for like 2 hours, not too long, but I'm going to do check-ins, and I will be back to show you guys how it looks. So hang tight. It's like 12:23, and I've been laying in the sun for like an hour, not even, maybe like 45 minutes, and I can't tell, but this is what it's looking like. I know for a fact that like there's nothing happening over here because I have my sunglasses on, so I know that like all over here is gone. Oh, I just scratched myself. But what do you guys think? Because I can't tell because of the sun, but you guys let me know. This is my 2 hour and like 40-minute check-in, but what do you guys think? I don't know. I can't see anything, so let me know. Guys, so it is currently like 2:15. So I've had this foundation on for like, or CC cream for like almost 4 hours. I'm actually getting ready to shower and wash it off. But I do want to say that I was sweating in the sun, like sweating, and I just came back from the dog park too, so I was in the park, and this is how it looks. Now, I don't think it looks bad like at all. I think it lasted so good. The only place it really broke up was like on my nose, which is where my sunglasses are, which was like expected, and then like I kept going like this because I always get so itchy because like pollen and stuff, and that's the only two places like where it ran off. But other than that, I think it lasted like pretty good. You guys let me know if you guys are interested in this, what you guys think of it. I think it is so good, and it has SPF 50 in it, which is great. This was, by the way, $39, so it is kind of pricey, but you do get like a standard fluid ounce. And I mean, for summer, being in the sun and stuff, if you're gonna be wearing makeup, I think this is great because it held up really, really, really nicely. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.